Okay, so I have been a teacher of storyboards for over 2 years, and I've noticed that there are common problems that a lot of students have. And if you overcome these problems, you would probably be in the top 90% of students out there. My name is Richard Calvin, and I am a story artist at Netflix. So the first issue I see a lot of students have is the ability to tell a simple story. What I notice is that a lot of students like to overcomplicate stories and create like these fantastical worlds with all of these really complicated backstories, and they find it very hard to know what simple is. The next problem I notice is consistency and work ethic. So one thing I notice is that a lot of students just don't like to work. They don't meet deadlines. They can't finish their sequences and stuff. If you are able to be consistent with your work and finish your sequences, you've already jumped way ahead of a lot of people. Now, clarity is kind of like a broad thing, but I want to focus more on clarity in the sense of students not knowing how many frames of drawing or like a sequence they should draw. So they would draw like one drawing for like a series of dialogue to be said, and they don't draw like enough frames in between to connect the emotion. And the last one, which is very, very big problem here, is this thing called ego, right? So a lot of students have ego because storyboarding is kind of a creative thing, and it's very hard for them to actually listen and take instructions. If you want to get really good really fast and you have a mentor, not necessarily me, and they say jump, you should say how high.